G'day all. Just wondering if anybody else has got one of these hit and miss engines from Gin. I've had problem after problem after problem with this one, and for the life of me I have not been able to get this to run. I can probably get it to run for a second or two, blow a little bit of smoke out there, burn a little bit of fuel, and then it just stops. I've tried fresh batteries, different fuel. What else have I done? I've even put a different power pack on from another engine, but I just cannot get this to run. I've tried adjusting the carb fine as possible. Tried a new plug, taken the head off and cleaned the head. So if anyone's got any ideas, I'd be much appreciated. Thank you very much, and as always, take care.